You got it? Oh, hey, we found a screw. Oh, did you bring that over? Yeah. Okay, cool. We gotta remember to clean that up. All right, we just gotta run some brake wiring down the trailer frame and then leave some excess on the front for him. That way he can wire it into the terminal box, or I can do it when he's finished putting back this vintage trailer back together. It's like Atticus is working on the frame, huh?
Yes.
Good job, dude. Are they straight?
They're not.
They're not straight. Dad worked on them. Hopefully they're straight. Okay, good. You don't need help with that, dude. You got it. Do it yourself. You got it.
Yes. I got it.
Yes, of course. Absolutely perfect, dude. See? I told you you had it. It's because Dad welded that on. I welded that on, yeah. Yeah. All by myself. Yeah.
Wait, 4 weeks?
Like 4 weeks? It was probably about 4 weeks ago, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir. When I was a little guy?
Yes.
4 weeks ago, I'm pretty sure I was the same size as I am today.
Yes. I'm big and you big.
Yeah, we're both big, huh? All right. I need my heat gun. That tire good? You're gonna work on my tire? Okay. You have to squeeze in here because I'm working on this too. Yes, sir. You can hammer on there. Yeah, nice.
I have those tires.
Yeah, we want to switch?
Yes.
Yep, you can have those.
Tires.
Big pliers, yeah. Getting these butt connectors all shrunk wrap. I ran the wire the correct way. Last time I did this, I ran it up and over the frame. And then I went, oh. I had to redo it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wiring connection is done here. I'm going to put the eyelets back on and put the wiring on. I need some 1/4-inch wrenches. Leave enough room for excess and suspension travel. Bolt through, there you go, and nut. You know, completely overkill, but right angle impact. Oh, and then you gotta make sure you're on the right setting to tighten down. And tight.
I like that.
You like this one?
Yeah.
I really like it too.
I really like a tiny one.
You want a tiny one?
Yeah.
I don't know if I have a tiny one. I think this is the smallest one that they make. For the right angle impact, of course.
No, I can bring one to me.
You can bring one to you?
Yes.
Where would you find it? Find it on your phone?
Yes.
And order it?
Yes.
That's a good idea. Remember what I said though, watch your fingers, okay?
Yes.
Yep.
Wash your fingers, Dad.
Yeah, you said watch your fingers to me when I had them? Yep. And one more. One more. You just noticed I didn't put the washers on the other one, so gotta put the washers on the other ones. There's not enough for this one. I can get one out of the truck though. There's only enough for what I'm doing. Would you like one?
Yes.
Okay. We gotta go to the truck and get one.
I have more.
Right here. I got more right here.
More right there.
You want these?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Here.
Oh, thanks.
Do you want one of these?
Yes. Oh, wait. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
This is a big one.
Look in my bag right there, Atticus. By the truck, you'll see the wrenches in my bag on the ground. You see them? See the wrenches? They're right in front of you by your hand, by your boots. See them?
I don't see them.
Okay, give me 1 sec. You got them?
Yes.
Oh, good stuff. Yeah, that's the one you can use. And one more. Beautiful. Beautiful, Atticus. We got all the wire in. Now what? Oh, you're gonna wrench on that? Is it fitting? Looks like it is. Brake wires ran. We got, hold on real fast, please. Brake wires ran. I got all the nuts and washers on for the eyelets. I'm gonna spool up a bunch in the front for him, so when we go back to do wiring, after he puts everything back together, we'll have enough room and enough access for just in case. It should be enough. But I always leave enough because it is the absolute worst when you're working on wiring and you don't have enough wire to pull through and strip everything. So it's a gift for future me if I work on this trailer. Leave enough room for suspension to work and zip tied. We have it zip tied on that side. Clip and spool this up and zip tie it. Zip tied and tucked. How you doing on that side, Atticus? You got everything you need?
No.
Okay, yeah, hit them up. I'm gonna clean up trash and then we'll get our tools picked up and we'll go. Yep, because we fixed it. Do you want to go home or do you want to go somewhere else?
Go somewhere else.
What are you thinking?
Can we get a tiny hammer?
You want to go to the tool store? Let's go to the tool store. Yeah, we'll go to the tool store. Dad needs to go there anyway. Okay? You have little guy hammers?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna clean up your fasteners you put in here and we'll put them back in the box. Please clean up your tools right here, Atticus. You got greasy hands? Yeah, I do too.
I do too.
That means we worked. All right, this job's done. Wiring's done. He'll call me if he needs anything else. and I'm on to the next.